I want to find out how far you and the Prince Afam have gone.
We're doing great. Everything's fine.
Oh, that's good. You mean he has not said anything about marriage yet?
Well, he did propose.
Oh, that's great.
I told him I needed more time.
More time?
Yes.
What for?
I needed time to get to know him. Better still, to build up my emotions for him.
Oh, you mean there are other suitors that I did not know?
No. Marriage is for life, Dad. So I need to be certain I'm not making a mistake before I jump into it.
You know, I promised your mother on her dying bed that I will live to see you a happy woman. And marriage to a king is the greatest gift I will give to you as my daughter and the princess. So, go ahead and accept the prince. If he proposes, I am your father. I will never deceive or mislead you.
Even when I don't feel anything for him.
Marriage is beyond feelings. Why feelings are fantasies? Marriage is reality. And the reality on ground is that Prince Afam is the best man for you. So accept the reality. That's it.
Lord, Your Majesty, I really need time to build up my emotions for our farm.
I'll get back to you.
Good morning, ma.
Yes, any problem?
Not a problem. The princess asked me to come and call your son, Chiku.
Tell her you did not see him when you came. Or did you see him around here?
Can you please pass the message across to when he returns?
I'll do that.
Thank you, ma. I will leave now.
No. Stay here. Stay. Maybe we'll enter one of the rooms.
Mama, why is your mind so twisted? I've told you that Princess and I are not doing anything wrong. Mama, we're just fond of each other. We just love to be together, just nothing else.
So I'm the bad person. How can a grown man like you, a full-grown man like the princess, be fond of each other just because you want to be fond of each other? Didn't you see a boy to be fond of Chiku? It is a girl. Not just an ordinary girl, but the princess. Do you want to bring that upon yourself with your own hands? Why can't you trade with caution, my son?
Mama, stop it. Please stop it. I've told you we're not doing anything wrong. Eh? Mama, she already has a suitor. And very soon they are getting married. We are just fond of each other, that's all. Yeah. Mind is stop having dirty mind.
The dirty one, no problem. My mind is twisted.
We're done. That was in.
Okay, come back.
Mama, go in now. We are done.
Come and help me do something. Come, let's go and cook.
You
You said plantain the other day. This one you can cook the yam for me.
Okay, let's go and cook.
Okay, Chiku.
Oh, Mama Chiku. Leave me alone, please.
My princess, he just came in now. It is obvious his mother sent the message across.
Okay, Chiku is here.
Yes, at the outer counter.
Bring him in here.
My princess.
What did I ask you to do?
Yes, my princess. The princess said we should come up to her room.
Eh? Are you talking to me?
Is there any other person here with us?
I do not understand what you mean.
She said I should bring you up to her room.
To her room?
Yes.
Hey.
What will be, will be. What will be, will be. If I cheat the other girl, what will be shall be. What will be must be. Makachuku Kechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love.
Princess.
Leave us.
My princess, she said you said I should come in.
Yes. Are you scared?
Your father might come in here
My father is out of town.
But we can sit at our normal place.
No. I do not want to sit at our normal place. I want to stay here. In my bedroom. Just you and I.
Okay, but then
I need to ask you a question. And I want the truth. Nothing but the truth.
Yeah?
I know you know what it means to love a woman. What it means to feel something for someone. I don't know how you feel about me. But I do know how I feel about you. Something about you makes me so happy. Gives me inner peace and fulfillment. A part of me wants to just be with you all day. I love you. I want you to tell me, do Do you feel the same way about me too?
My princess, I feel the same way for you. And I feel like my life is incomplete without you. Seeing your face is the greatest gift nature can give me. But then I know we are from different worlds, but I feel the same for you. I know giving a voice to these feelings might lead to my untimely death.
No.
I'm the only child of my mother.
No. Maybe not. Maybe we are created to make history. History of love. Maybe we are destined to tell the story. The greatest story of love ever told. At least we can try. Who knows? We might win at the end.
No, my princess. You know.
Say no more. Say no more. Trust me. And touch me.
No, my princess. I cannot do this.
Wait, no, wait!
But you wouldn't believe me. I told you.
Let's get out of here.
How can Igwe Atuegu condone such? How can he allow that boy sneak into his palace to defile that girl? Under his watch. How? Why?
The father was not in the house. I heard he traveled out of the country for a medical checkup.
What?
Yes.
Her father traveled and she couldn't hold herself. She had to stoop so low as to bring in that brats, that low life, that nobody into her father's palace. How? How could she possibly be on the same bed with that stink of a boy? I am so disappointed in her. I am disappointed in her. You see, I can't believe that she's been lying to me all this while.
It's still possible she's not lying to you.
How do you mean?
It's still possible she's not having an affair with the boy.
Precious, do I look like a fool to you? Do I look dumb? Now I'm telling you that I saw that boy sneak out of the palace. Now where else would he possibly be coming from if not the princess's room? Now you tell me. Or the courtyard wasn't good enough for them?
Just calm down. Calm down. Don't conclude yet.
Well, I will conclude. She has betrayed me because of that boy. And I won't take it lightly with the both of them. I will not take it lightly with the both of them.
Just calm down. What's all this? Calm down, please.
How could you?
could you condescend so low? Why? What has come over you? Why would you let that boy into your room?
I needed to know how he feels about me. I needed to tell him how I feel about him. And he confirmed it. He loves me too.
Really? So that's the reason you let him into your room?
We did not do anything. He did not stay here up to 10 minutes before he ran away.
And who will believe that?
You. You're my friend. Even if the whole world doesn't believe me, you have to believe me. And that's what friendship represents, right?
Wait a minute. So you finally want to reject Prince Afam's proposal because of that boy?
I love him. Precious. My heart, my soul, my body, everything about me accepts him. And I will fight this. I don't know if I'm going to win, but I will fight this. I will obey my heart against all odds. I will fight this.
My prince, where are we going to?
To Igwa Atwegu's palace to see Princess Uju.
My prince, after what she did to you?
Charlie.
My prince.
Princess Uju belongs to me and no one else. Now nobody can take her away from me. Is that clear?
Yes, my prince.
Good. I'll take me to my bride to be.
But I'm so disappointed in you. How could you stoop so low?
Have you forgotten your royalty? For Christ's sake, you are the princess.
That doesn't mean I do not have blood running down my veins. I mean, they have blood running down their veins just the way I have blood running down my veins. And unless, of course, I allow pride and ego come between me and them, we're equals.
Well, is that why you lied to me? You told me he was just your friend. I never knew he was my rival.
Well, I am sorry I lied to you. He's the one I love. Everything I am and everything I stand for wants to be with him. And I am tired of lying to him or hiding my feelings away from him because he's a commoner.
I see. It's all making sense now.
What? Meaning?
Well, may I remind you that I am Prince Afamefuna Wanganga, the son and true blood of the late king Wanganga the Tall, the grandson of Wanganga the Great, the only man that stood against the white men and stopped them from approaching his territory. We do not take no for an answer. I have spent too much time and resources to back out now because of that thing. Whatever I want, I get. Now if I, Prince Afamefuna Wanganga, do not marry you, no man under the sun born by a woman will.
Are you threatening me?
Well, I just stated the obvious. And you have a good day, princess.
What we be, we be. What we be, we be. If I chill the other girl, Akualisia, what we be shall be. What we be must be. Makachuku Kechebania. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of trouble, I will stand for you, my love. In the time of pain, I will stand for you, my love. Someone is in love when you look at my eyes. Someone is in love, my body they shake you. No cause for love when you look at my eyes. No cause for l'amour, my body they shake you. He's a local boy. He's a low life boy. He's a local boy. He's a low life boy.
Never! I am Prince Afamefuna Wanganga. Nobody messes with me. Nobody.
I left for 1 week. Just 1 week. You turned the entire palace into a brothel. Sneaking in that dirty criminal into my palace. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Was that what you were taught in schools abroad?
Dad, he is not a criminal. Can you stop giving him names that he doesn't bear?
And that's what gave you the audacity to sneak him into my palace, to defy you.
It did not defile me. I was the one who invited him into my bedroom. He didn't stay up to 10 minutes before he left. We did nothing.
Can you hear yourself? No, can you just hear yourself? If he is that intelligent, if he is not a common criminal, how could he have followed you into your bedroom, in your father's house? Eh? How many times have Prince Alpha visited you into your bedroom? Does that not show you that he is a common criminal, unintelligent, a vagabond?
I'm sorry, Dad. It's not his fault. I was the one who invited him into my bedroom.
And he followed you. He has no home training. How could he? A promiscuous rogue. That's what he is. Why you not working with all? That's what you are telling me. Nonsense.
So you said they did not tell you where they came from?
No, if not that, they came like robbers. If not that they came with police uniform, I thought they were robbers. They were just shooting into the air, threatened to kill me. They threatened to kill my son. And me and my son tried to escape. One of them wanted to kill me, not that I was begging and begging. They want to have killed me. I want to know.
It's okay. Hey, let's go to the nearby police station.
Let's go now.
Let's go.
Madam,
yes,
are you saying they didn't come with any search warrants or any identification of any type?
Nothing, sir. Apart from their long guns. Actually, 2 policemen shot into the air when they were trying to force my son into their waiting van.
Sir, they did not come with any form of identification.
I'm sorry, this is not a legitimate arrest. You see, no policeman will arrest any suspect in such a barbaric manner.
DPO, please don't be angry. Are you saying they were not real policemen? Who are they then?
Madam, I haven't said that yet.
It's okay. DPO, what do you suggest we do now?
I suggest you go to Zone 16 Omoabia. They may be from the Special Anti-Robbery Squad. You go there and other SAS offices. In fact, search from station to station. I think you'll get result. Madam, calm down.
Hey!
DPO, I want to thank you. I think we should be on our way.
Okay.
Hey! It's enough. Stop this day. Stop crying, Biko.
Where have they taken my son? How are you sure they have not killed my son?
Why are you talking like that? Okay, Chiku is with the police.
Which police? I got it. Which police? The DPO sent us around all the police stations, including the SARS. None of them accepted to have sent the team that came to arrest my son. I couldn't even recognize any of the faces of the boys that came to arrest my son.
Don't you say it. Don't say it at all.
I have said it all. The boys that came to take my son are hired killers. They are hired assassins. They have killed my son.
God forbid. God forbid bad thing.
God forbid. God has allowed it.
Mban.
God has allowed this one. Chiku already.
Don't say it. Don't say it at all. God forbid. It will never happen.
I have said it already.
Mban. Yeah. Don't be saying things like that. Oh?
I say it because it has happened.
Never. Never. Sorry, dear.
This is a bad omen. This is a bad omen.
It is not. It is just a coincidence. It is not. Stop saying things like that. Eh? We will find Okechukwu.
Are you sure?
Yes. We will find him.
You have heard her. She said we are going to find my son Okechukwu.
Of course, we will find him.
Even if I'm not answering my prayers, answer this one.
Amen.
Let me find my son.
Amen.
Let my son come back to me.
Amen.
It's
enough. It's enough. It's enough. Oh?
I'm the only son of my mother. Please stop you.
Okay, shut up for that place, idiot. Okay, like this guy. Just shut up there. Please. Only son of your mother. If you're your cross, carry him. Idiot.
It's 2 days now. I don't even know where my son is. I don't know where they have taken him. I don't know where he is.
Mamoke, those men were assassins. But I don't know who must have sent them. You must know the kind of influence you command in this country. To send men in police uniform and police gun to eliminate anyone that is contending with you.
I don't know who he is contending with. Just a few days ago, he came back and told me that some men accosted him on the road and want him to stay away from the princess.
Wait. I don't understand. Was he saying the princess?
I don't know. I want my son to stay away from the princess. He said they were not doing anything wrong, and they were only fond of each other. That even the princess was betrothed to one Prince Afam, that they were going to get married with that prince. I want him.
The question is, was okay seeing the princess?
From what the things happening now, it's like he was seeing the princess.
What are we talking about? Just look at it.
Ogini.
That is the point.
You can't get us so. You send more better hope on us than what even a man. Hey, hey, in a bovada diro. And I say because what are we talking about? Hey! Okay, see the princess.
The king doesn't want to see you!
I want to see the king! I'm not even here to see the king! I want to see the king! King, I want to see you! I want to see you! On here. My princess, please, I want to see the king.
Why? What is wrong?
My son Chiku is missing. Some men came to the house with police uniform and guns and took my son away. Now look for him. All the police stations around there, I can't find him.
Woman, you are disturbing me.
Quiet. David said that those people that came were hired killers. Maybe they have killed my son. Just let me see the king and tell him everything as it happened.
Hired killers?
Yes.
1 minute.
Can I go now? What is it?
Why don't you want to see the wailing woman outside?
Because I don't want to see her.
She's your subject.
I choose to see who I want to see.
Are you aware her son is missing?
I'm not interested.
I hope you have nothing to do with this, father. Because if you do, I swear on my life, I will... I hope you have nothing to do with this.
I want to see you! Leave me alone! I want to see you! Go away! Onyobiakpo! Amusu!
Mama. I need you to relax. Go home and rest. It's no longer your battle. It's mine now.
Thank you.
I'll get word across to you before nightfall.
Oh, bless you.
I'll ensure to give you information if he's alive or dead. Please go back to Mama.
God bless you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, hi.
Ask my maid to give you my car key.
Yes, my princess. Yes, it's not a problem.
I'll have to talk to you later. I have a visit. Yes, no problem. My princess.
You've carried out your threat, right?
What's the problem? Why is your countenance like this?
The boy. What have you done to him?
What boy?
The boy I told you I love. You'd better call those men to release that boy. The same men you sent to his house to pick him up.
What the hell are you talking about?
I am talking about the boy who was hung. The boy I told you I loved. Listen. I am warning you. Ask those men to release him. If anything happens to him, I'll kill you and I'll kill myself.
What the hell are you talking about? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the boy.
Listen, I don't understand what you're talking about. You need to calm down and talk to me. What are you talking about?
I'm not here to play with you. I'm not even here to answer questions from you. Release him and that's the final warning.
Why are you talking like... What has happened to the boy? I don't get you. What's your problem? Can you talk to me?
I'm done.
Charlie! Get the car keys. We need to follow her now.
why did your son, okay, not stop seeing the princess after the warning from those hoodlums? Now, look at where it has landed him.
No, my son stopped seeing the princess. He didn't see her again. He stopped seeing. Listen, he said his life was more important to him than whatever he shared with the princess. In fact, he never went to see her again. That is why I never suspected that the threat had anything to do with those men.
Let us not apportion blames to anybody now, or looking for who to blame. All we have to do is to pray to God and begin to strategize for the next plan.
Mamoki, I want to ask you again. What is the princess doing? Since, or is she not aware that the person she is fond of is missing?
I've gone to the palace and I met with the princess. She said she was going to do something about it, that she will get to the root of the matter and get back to me today.
Oh God.
Eh? What are you thanking God for? What are you thanking God for? No! Tell me, why are you thanking God? See, if those men are not real policemen, where are both of you expecting them to keep the boy? In real police net? No! Tell me.
Anozie.
Eh?
What are you trying to say?
What I am saying is that we should continue to pray that the boy is alive.
Hey! Okay, CJ. Why are you like this?
You have started. Yeah, go on. Start another part of crime. You have started. Your son is alive. He's alive. Don't man us, eh? Amen. Yeah. Amen. We will find him.
It's okay. If the boy is alive and you will find him, both of you should continue to look for him. And
Hey! 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 Okay, Chiku. Hey! Ha!
Calm down.
You
have started. We will see him. We will see Chiku. Nothing will happen to him. Oh?
Is it a crime? Is this a crime?
What?
She's not in the mood to see you.
What nonsense mood are you talking about? Now go up there and tell her that the prince is here to see her.
But she doesn't want to see you.
Then I'm left with no option than to go up there myself.
My prince.
Excuse me!
The king will be happy, my prince.
My princess! Princess, you have to open the door. I need to talk to you now.
I'm not opening the door for you. I do not intend speaking with you. You better go bring that boy from wherever you're hiding him.
My princess, you have to believe me. I do not have a hand in that boy's disappearance.
You are lying and you know it.
It's not a lie. I'm telling you the truth. You are accusing the wrong person.
You said you will do it and now you have done it. Go bring the boy back.
You have to believe me. I didn't do it.
Then who did?
Oh, okay, fine. I sent some men over to you, asking to stop seeing you. I did because I love you. Yes, I couldn't stand the pain of watching him steal you away from me. They only went there to warn him. Yes, which he agreed not to come see you again. But not abduct him. I never sent anyone to abduct him. I'm just a man in love, my princess. I'm ready to do anything for the woman I love, but not mother. I am not a murderer.
You are such a royal liar. Leave. Go bring the boy from wherever you kept him.
I am not lying. I'm saying the truth. Then could you help me talk to her, please?
You have heard her. Please, let's go before the king comes.
No, I can't just leave like that.
What's going on here?
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
Greetings.
I said, what is going on here? Isn't it?
Your Majesty, you said I came here to talk to the princess. She's accusing me of a crime I did not commit.
of the inner court and the outer court to discuss whatever business you have with her. Not here!
Yes, Your Majesty. I'll leave now.
I warned you, but you didn't listen to me. I did. I don't know. Why is everything crumbling? Why on earth is my entire world crumbling down? What is wrong in loving a human being who has blood running down his veins? Why are they even inflicting so much hurt on this widow? Her son is her only hope of survival. No. Chiku has to be found. And today, he has to be found dead or alive. And better not dead. Better not dead.
Another night. Yet another night. I've not heard anything from my son. Neither have I seen him.
And the princess did not even keep to her promise.
My friend, she did not. She did not keep to her promise. I've not seen anything that looks like her around this place. She failed me.
God, do not allow this to happen. It's going to be very bad, no. It's going to be very bad.
Lenu. My friend Lenu. Anụrụ dị n'ime m dịrị mụ na nwa onye nọ nara m nwa m. Mgbara aka nwa na-ewere ife mmere egbe ihe nwa m mere. Nwa ngwa egbe ihe o mere ọkwa isi ihe ga nwe m n'eziokwu. Ọ gbara ma nwekwa onye kpọrọ nwunye.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. I wasn't there to protect you. I'm sorry I failed you. I'm sorry I failed your mother. But never mind. I will only fail you this once. I will not fail you again. Remember what I told you? We could make the greatest love story ever told in the history of humanity. This, I tell you, is a promise. I will find you. I will.
What is my crime? Guinea can commit. Am I wrong?
Do not shout. Do not talk. I'm alive. I do not want any other person to know except you. I have a story to tell. Oh? Come, let's sit down.
Where is she good? Mama okay? Mama okay? Mama okay? Mama okay? Mama okay?
Bush.
Mama okay?
Don't tell her that I'm here. Please.
Mama, why are you standing here all alone?
It's as if I'm dreaming.
Dream? Dreaming?
Am I dreaming?
Mama, okay, calm down. Your son will be alright by the grace of God. Because this thinking, I'm afraid, it might affect your brain or your heart. Oh?
Just that I want to be sure. I am not dreaming.
You are not dreaming? Oh, calm down. Oh?
Let's go to bed.
Okay.
What is my crime? Give can commit. Am I wrong?
It's enough. I won't cry. You won't cry again. It's enough. You're always saying that. This time I mean it. Yes. You mean it? Yeah. You are sure. Hey, Mama, okay? Let me go home and see my husband and the children. But I'll come back in the evening. Should in case Chiku didn't come back.
No, don't bother about coming back. Listen, I serve a living God. And he said, call me in time of trouble and I will answer you and give you peace. So he has given me peace of mind. And I know he will do everything in his time in Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. Amen. But, Mama, okay? I hope you're not trying to do something stupid.
Why are you talking like that? Do I look stupid? No, do I look as if I'm going to do something stupid? I don't look troubled at all. I am at peace with myself. Listen, I appreciate you for everything you have done for me. Thank you very much. God bless you, my sister.
Mama, okay. We are not just friends. We are sisters. Married from the same village into the same village. So the bond between us should be stronger. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate you for understanding that. Thank you very much.
Yes. Okay. I am going. I will still come back. I will come back.
Don't bother. Just concentrate on them. Take care of them very well. I'm fine.
Okay.
Do I have tears in my eyes now?
No.
Do you see any tears? I'm laughing. Okay, I can still laugh for you. Are you not happy now?
Okay.
So go and take care of them. Bring them for me. Okay. Take care of them very well.
Yes.
Okay, Chiku.
Has she gone?
Yes. So this is true. Do you know I couldn't sleep all through last night? I wanted to jump out from the bed to come and confirm if it's actually you that came in last night. But you know, Akodi will come after me. I couldn't wait for the day to break. No. This is you.
I'm here.
You're welcome back.
They wanted to kill me. But the God of the fatherless and the God of the widow had compassion on me and gave me back my life.
Welcome. So what happened?
We have a casualty and he's the only son of a poor widow. Please help me to save him, Ajonko, please.
But Joe, the bullet entered the wrong place. I am not sure we can save him. Look.
Ajonko, something in me tells me that he will survive it, that he's not going to die. Yeah. Please, Ajonko, do something, please. Ajonko, do something, please.
Joe?
Ajonko, you can do it. Help me, please. Save his life, please, Ajonko. Please. Ajonko, what is happening?
The truth is, you are right. There is something peculiar about this young man. Not only did he lose a lot of blood, the bullet entered the wrong places. It will take me time to bring out all of them. But I'm hopeful he will make it alive. Because anytime I check his pulse, I find out that he is still breathing.
Ajonko, please, you have to save him. Eh? If not for any other person, because of his mother. Please, I beg you.
Leave us. I said leave us! Leave us!
Okay. Ajonko,
go there. You don't come here and start lamenting like a girl.
Why?
Something in me told me that you need to stay alive. If it was possible, I would have boycotted the shooting, but there was nothing I could do. When we got to town, I had to jump out from the car to come after you. I took a tricycle and came to where you are. I have to save you.
Thank you so much. But who ordered the killing?
Stay away from the princess in fact. Let everyone believe that you are dead. You are going to hide here for the meantime until the princess is married to her suitor. Then you can come out.
Why?
Because the person that sent us will send another people to come after you if he finds out that you are alive. He has all the whole money and connections in the world. to achieve his evil plots.
I need to see my mother.
You are dead. Dead men don't see his people.
You're right.
Do you care for some?
It's 5 days now. I can't remain here. My mother might just die. I can't imagine the pains she's passing through now.
It is better she stays in pains of your loss for now and let her live happily with you than she'll be in pain for the rest of her life because of your death. Which of them do you think is more preferable?
If my mother did not see me,